GLS 400 diesel core. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Imagine the road tax on that bastard. What the fuck are you doing, mate? Jesus, look at her! Get off your fucking phone! Fucking hell. I would have absolutely pissed myself if you stuffed that through the hedge. What's that got to be worth? 70, 80 grand? If not more? Fucking hell. They were clearly doing, oh my God, clearly doing something either on their phone or looking at someone else, reading something, piss-assing around with something. What on earth are you fucking doing? I bet he's been looking at a fucking map or something.